Scene script. Have you ever wondered why Venus, Earth's so-called sister planet, is so different from our own? In the great cosmic dance of the solar system, Venus spins in a neighboring orbit to Earth. Close in proximity and almost identical in size, it's easy to see why Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet. But like the most captivating stories of siblings, the two are as different as they are alike. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, holds a mystique that belies its harsh reality. Its day lasts longer than its year due to its slow and retrograde rotation, spinning in the opposite direction to most other planets. Moreover, Venus is enshrouded in a dense atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, a stark contrast to the oxygen-rich air we breathe on Earth. This dense blanket traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect that makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. The surface pressure on Venus is about 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to being about 3,000 feet underwater. This makes landing spacecraft on Venus as challenging as diving into the deepest parts of Earth's oceans. Despite these extreme conditions, Venus is a planet of great interest. It's a world of countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled, a world that may hold lessons for our own planet's future. Its proximity and size make it a tantalizing target for exploration and study. The enigma of Venus is this: how did two planets, so similar in size and born in the same stellar nursery, end up so drastically different? Is it simply a case of cosmic chance, or are there processes at work that we are yet to fully understand? So, how did Venus, so similar in size to Earth, end up so drastically different? This is a question that continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike, driving our quest to unravel the secrets of the universe. To understand Venus, we need to delve into its harsh, inhospitable environment. Venus, often regarded as Earth's twin sister, is anything but sibling-like when it comes to its living conditions. This celestial body boasts a surface temperature that exceeds 860 degrees Fahrenheit, making it hotter than Mercury, even though it's further from the sun. Imagine a pizza oven that's been cranked up to its maximum heat, and you're still not even close to how sizzling Venus is. This blistering temperature is maintained day and night thanks to Venus's dense atmosphere, which is mainly composed of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This noxious blend creates an intense greenhouse effect. The sun's heat enters Venus but cannot escape, causing a relentless and unforgiving rise in temperature. But hold on, the hostility of Venus doesn't stop at scorching temperatures. The atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus is a staggering 92 times greater than what we experience here on Earth. To put that into perspective, it's akin to being roughly 3,000 feet under the ocean's surface. That's deeper than the height of 9 Empire State Buildings stacked on top of each other. This combination of extreme temperature and pressure has rendered our sister planet a veritable pressure cooker, and not one in which anything we know could survive. It's also a nightmare for space probes. Several missions that have dared to venture into this hostile territory have only survived a few hours at most before being crushed and melted by Venus's unforgiving environment. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, the allure of Venus remains. Its mysteries continue to intrigue us, and the challenges it presents only fuel our determination to explore and understand it better. Venus, with all its hostility, is a testament to the diversity of our solar system and the extremes that exist within it. These extreme conditions make Venus a challenging destination for exploration, but as we've seen throughout history, challenges often lead to the greatest discoveries, and who knows what secrets Venus might be hiding beneath its hostile exterior. Despite the challenges, we have managed to get a glimpse of Venus's surface. It's a world of extremes, a place that could be described as a geological wonderland. The surface is primarily composed of plains, punctuated by a number of large volcanic features and scarred by an impressive number of craters. The plains, making up about 70% of the planet's surface, are flat, vast expanses of land, thought to have been created by volcanic activity. These plains tell us that Venus is not a dormant world, but one that has been geologically alive, even up to the recent past. The volcanic features on Venus are truly extraordinary. There are more volcanoes on Venus than any other planet in our solar system. Some of these are gigantic shield volcanoes, similar to those found in the Hawaiian Islands back here on Earth. These monstrous volcanoes provide compelling evidence that Venus was, and perhaps still is, geologically active. And then there are the craters. Unlike our Moon, which is peppered with countless craters, Venus has relatively few. This suggests a surface that's not ancient, but has been resurfaced over time, likely by volcanic activity. But what about the potential for life? Venus may seem like a hellish place, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, but some intriguing signs point towards the possibility of past water. Certain minerals detected on the surface require water to form. This tantalizing clue, coupled with the fact that Venus may have had a more Earth-like climate billions of years ago, leads some scientists to wonder if life once existed on our sister planet. Today, the surface conditions of Venus are extremely harsh for life as we know it. But in the high cloud decks of Venus, where temperatures and pressures are more Earth-like, some researchers speculate that microbial life could potentially exist even now. The possibility of life on Venus, however remote, continues to intrigue scientists. As we continue to explore this fascinating planet, who knows what secrets we might uncover? The exploration of Venus is far from over. Its allure remains, promising secrets of our solar system's past and perhaps even clues to our own planet's future. As we peer into the next decade, various space agencies worldwide are gearing up for a new era of Venus exploration. NASA's proposed Veritas and Da Vinci Plus missions, set for the late 20s, aim to unravel Venus's geological history and analyze its atmosphere. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's Envision mission, scheduled for the early 30s, plans to study the planet's geological activity and atmosphere to determine why Venus and Earth evolved so differently. These missions are not just about Venus, they're about us, about Earth. By studying Venus, a planet similar to Earth in size, mass, and composition yet drastically different in climate, we can gain invaluable insights into Earth's past and potential future. Venus exploration isn't a standalone endeavor. It's part of a larger quest, a quest to understand our place in the cosmos. By deciphering Venus's mysteries, we can learn more about the processes that govern planetary climates, the likelihood of finding life beyond Earth, and the future that awaits our own planet. As we continue to explore Venus, who knows what mysteries we will uncover? One thing's for sure though, the future of Venus exploration is rife with promise and potential, a testament to our ceaseless curiosity and thirst for knowledge. So what have we learned about Venus? We've delved into its harsh environment, with scorching temperatures and a dense atmosphere. We've explored its surface, marked by plains, volcanic formations, and craters. We've considered the tantalizing potential for past or even present life. And we've looked ahead to the exciting future of Venus exploration. Despite its hostile conditions, Venus continues to captivate us, reminding us of the endless wonders of our solar system.